Hi, this is Melissa David with Life with Bob, a blog on HealthyPlace.com. Today I'm talking a bit about what we can learn from setbacks. It can be hard, and as long as nobody's hurt, I think there are positives that can be taken from the situation. For one, you learn a lot about the triggers, what it is that does set your child off, or even set yourself off when it comes to your mental health. And I guess there's a positive in something like this happening to someone as young as my son, in that at 10 years old, he gets to learn some things about how he overcomes barriers and how he gets over some really rough times before a lot of typical people do. I think some of us at 25 we're still trying to learn some of these things. So I guess you can look at it as he's ahead of the game in some respects. And not to be too cynical, but I feel like too that something like this helps us not become too complacent. I feel like after months of doing so well and superbly that I started to have it in my head that maybe this was all done, maybe there wouldn't be significant symptoms moving forward, maybe he could start cutting down on his meds or moving back to a regular classroom. And something like this shows the benefits of things like medications and the things like the high structure and the support that he gets in the classroom, the special ed classroom that he's currently in, which is the third thing that you learn. You learn that those things that you have set up in many ways work. This type of setback wasn't nearly as bad as it could have been. In the past, this could have been hours and hours of outbursts that got him kicked out of school, that got his doctors more involved, that maybe we had to call the case manager, or a whole bunch of different things might have happened. But because we do have a good set of support set up in the classroom, and because we do have a good support team outside of that classroom, some setback like this is a lot smaller than it could have been. And that's actually really nice to know. And it helps inform kind of what we're going to do moving forward to help him continue to have a lot of success. So yeah, it's frustrating and concerning at times to have tiny setbacks like these, but there's also a lot you can learn and be hopeful about once it's all said and done as well. Once again, this is Melissa David with Life with Bob, parenting a child with mental illness on HealthyPlace.com.